it's me, Mila and welcome to my kitchen and welcome to At Home with me, Mama Mila. Today, I'm super excited because I love brunch. Everybody hears me say how much I freaking love brunch, but one of my favorite things is a smoked salmon bagel. I don't really like lox per se, but I like a good smoked salmon. Anyways, I'm going to show you the super easy smoked salmon schmear that I make for bagels at home. Today we have simple, easy ingredients. We're gonna start with about 4 ounces, a quarter of a cup of softened cream cheese. We're gonna have a lemon. We need a zester to zest the lemon. Then we have a teaspoon of capers, a teaspoon of dill relish, and then we have a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, dried dill. They didn't have fresh at the store. We work with what we got. And then salt and pepper to taste. And then we are going to be adding in a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a couple dashes of Tabasco, and then that's going on top. And then of course, this is a honey roasted smoked salmon that I got from Costco. Okay, first things first is we're gonna do the zest of 1 lemon. Now to our cream cheese and our lemon zest, we're gonna add in the pickles and the capers, our spices. We're gonna add in about, a teaspoon of mustard. Gross. And a couple shakes of Tabasco. Okay, next thing I'm gonna do is just take some flakes of salmon, just like this. We're gonna pull it apart. Look at how pretty that is. Just like that. That looks like about half a cup. Put that right in. And I wanna leave the skin. I don't like that part. There we go. Now we're gonna mix this all together and incorporate it. Okay, now we have a nice toasted Asiago bagel. I like it really toasty. We're gonna smear this right on there. So good, and we're going to be so generous. Just like that. We're gonna cut our lemon that we zested because we don't waste nothing, and we are going to squeeze it right on top. Now we're gonna put dill and fresh cracked pepper. Here we are. It's escaping. How simple, how easy was that? And you guys aren't even gonna believe how fresh and delicious this is. What's beautiful about it, it has texture, it has flavor, and it is the best. I gotta get the side with the most cheese. Look at how beautiful that is. Nice and seasoned well. Just like me. Terrible. Oh my God. This is what dreams are made of. Sometimes I surprise myself, baby. Damn. Yeah. Thank you so much for coming to my kitchen and tasting another easy, delicious, totally obtainable recipe. Don't forget to follow me on all the platforms. I can't wait to see you back again in my kitchen. Tanti baci.